with the flow.
Exactly. People just are doing their own thing.
I
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am still in Bangalore. Today is day 2 of the girls trip. We have a packed agenda today. Today is a Saturday. It's a weekend, and weekend in Bangalore means that it is going to be hectic. A lot of traffic, a lot of time is going to take in going between places, logistics, etc. So we are starting early. Time is now 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We are headed to the Cubbon Park to first start our day off with the Garden City. So let's head there. Ipo Cubbon Park vandachu, and right now it's so huge. Entry is free because you're not allowed to take photographs, DSLR camera, all of that is not allowed. Photography is not allowed. You can carry your mobile phone. So adu oru nalla vishayam. இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா time is around 10 o'clock, and we were expecting there'll be some activities over here in Cubbon Park, but unfortunately all the activities are closed. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you're coming in the morning, you're expecting some activities like boating, or there are a lot of things that even kids can do, like an amusement park, like a small one. So it's not going to be open, so plan accordingly. And we are now heading to breakfast. You can see her little hairstyle we've done. We found these flowers over here in Cubbon.
pretty.
They're very pretty. I've started. Oh. Now we've gotten down at the Indiranagar metro station, and we have a quick outfit change for both of us. This is city girl Pinterest vibe. Clean girl, city girl. Right, this is what I think both of us are matching as well in white. Now we are going to this really nice breakfast spot called Clean and Green Cafe restaurant, whatever. So that's where we're headed to. Now we need to figure out logistic again. We can take maybe we'll take an Uber, or we'll get an auto. So some bad news, guys. The cafe that we wanted to go actually is shut down for maintenance, but on Google it's actually written that it's actually open right now. So we are here at Alien Kind. They are famous for their burgers or whatever, or at least they're viral on Instagram. So Samiksha got
Banana strawberry smoothie without sugar and honey.
yeah, obviously, because we're health conscious like that.
No, like that.
Like that. Okay, so how does it taste, Sam?
Basic, but your basic
Out of
shape,
5, how much would you give?
3.
We are now headed to our next spot, which is Rage Room. It's going to be a Rage Room experience, and we've never had. I don't think in India we have a lot of Rage Room experiences. So yeah, so we are very limited. I think there's one in Mumbai. I saw it in the Netflix series Bollywood Housewives. So
There's
that is
only one launched in Delhi right
yeah.
now.
Okay.
It's a new one, but I haven't been there.
Okay. So there's just one in the capital and there's one here. So we're trying to go there and see what it's about, and I'll be filming it as well. This is how the Rage Room looks like. They also have neon paint in here. Neon paint and Rage Room both they have over here. The charges are something like it starts from 800 rupees and goes up to like 2500, and you can add extra boosters like if you want to add more breakable stuff, but it starts at 800. It's a little bit difficult to find. It's next to Asha Sweets. There is a tower, ஸோ அது பக்கத்தில் நீங்கள் வந்து ஏறி தேர்ட் ஃப்ளோருக்கு வரணும். அதுலேயே உங்கள் ரேஞ்ச் வந்து இன்னும் அதிகமாகிடும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சில கஷ்டங்கள்லாம் இருக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் மேக் அ நோட். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ த ப்ரைஸ் இஸ் லிட்டில் பிட் ஸ்டீப். ரொம்பலாம் உடைக்கிறதுக்கு நிறைய கிடையாது. So we've completed the raise room experience right now. My friend actually went in for it. So she's going to share her experience, how she felt. Was it worth, and what she felt after it is completed.
800 rupees for 15 minutes is less. Oh, too much. Not less, too much. For 15 minutes. It should be 500 for 15 minutes. And yeah, you will feel something inside you after breaking all those bottles and everything.
Okay, so if you want to see the complete experience of Rage Room, I'm not going to have any spoilers here on the vlog. Please go and check out the reel, which I'm going to place an icon card over here. Please go and click on it and see how the Rage Room experience is. So let's go on to the next destination. We're going to go on the metro. We're going to go to a museum, and you are going to come with me for the next. Right at the Kappan exit. So once you exit or you come, you have an entrance also. You find this place called Food Story. I highly recommend their filter coffee. It's really nice. There has been a slight plan change. We're heading back to the hotel. We're cancelling the Museum of Art and Photography because we are too tired. So we've taken our rest in the hotel, and if on the Padina, we've just come to a Cafe Kadia, which is right next to our hotel. This place is such a savior, guys, because they have amazing Bangalore tiffins. This is the curd rice Mosranna, Kannada, and this is the podi tatte idli. So yeah, we are going to finish up our food, and then we go back to the room and we replan everything because few things have gone wrong. It's okay, life happens. So we are going to replan. Exactly.
Much later.
This time is now 6:30 p.m. and we've made some plans. We've moved things around to make sure that we are trying to cover more. And then I think now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a salon because Samiksha needs to get her hair done. So that is number one agenda. I'm going to go grab a coffee because till she gets her hair done, I'm just going to have a cup of coffee because I've been feeling like my throat is itchy. So the salon plan got cancelled because all of the salons were fully booked because it was Saturday. Of course, they were not going to accommodate us. We had gone to the Casa Karaoke. So adoda reel vandu I'll place it somewhere here on the top. There'll be a card here that you can click and see. So our order in Go Native has arrived. I got grape cured pear salad, and my besties got
Particularly a Rajasthani dish, which is called dal dokli. In normal household, we make it with normal dal and wheat dough, wheat balls. That's all. That's what we do. Here they have given it a certain much healthier version with spinach, corns, peas, everything. So yeah, this after seeing this, I was tempted to have it. So yeah, this is for me. Okay guys, we are back home now. So quickly, a quick rating on Go Native is if you like fancy food but you also want to stay healthy, that sort of a lane, then you can definitely opt for it. There are options for everyone. It is a pure vegetarian restaurant, so keep that in mind. So yes, I think my best friend really loved it. I do not love it, but I did like it. It's good. They have good options.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel Ray Vlog, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, guys. Bye.